Oh, okay. Does this work then? Or is it gonna mess me up? Klaus. Fuck me, like what? You would, mate. Okay, so actually going back to just right, we'll have to put one of these in. Sorry. We're not gonna copy yours, mate. We're gonna make our own. We're gonna make the greatest menu the world has ever seen. And yours might be quite fabulous. I mean, I wouldn't doubt it for 1 second that it was pretty fucking fabulous. But still. Okay, so it'll be like -2. -1. No minus at all. And then for the last one, it'll be like a +1. I put a +1 on the Evite. Mate, what's up? It isn't fabulous. Oh, burn. Klaus, the caster. Okay, doesn't do anything though. So Klaus the caster. That's the thing that's gonna happen in my life. That's what my life has become now. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's the greatest. Okay, so does this look even better or does it look worse? I'm not sure. It looks worse. No, I don't know. Does it look better or worse than before? Because I don't know. Okay, gonna keep it. Maybe we should put this just a bit more to. Let's see what that looks like. Klausy. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Didn't work. It didn't work one fucking bit. Okay. Any word for a paladin that's not a paladin? Like, any name for that? Like, Guardian is a great name. Would also kind of fit for the paladin though. But if I hear the name Guardian, I think of like this typical guy from an MMO with like the big fucking badass, like that guy from Dragon Age Origins, actually, the king. When you get to the what even is that? The camp there at the beginning. Like that guy. That seems to me like a Guardian. It's fucking badass. Meanwhile, let's set a string char class. Oh, okay. So let's just call it paladin then. That's fine. We'll keep that, and we will say that char class equals console readline. But oh wait, actually, it's to be able to ensure maximum I don't know precise calculations, we would actually have to do a true upper. Oh, the Lord of the Rings. Yeah. I don't know what's happening anymore. So the readline to upper will take in the class, but yeah, we'll have to do one of these. So I do this and do it while let's do an int called error, and by default be set to 0. So do it while, oh actually by default, What the fuck is happening? Okay. So error will be set to. So we'll do it whilst error is. So we'll have to do it whilst error. Fuck me, like why? Whilst error is 1. So in case it's like the wrong name or it didn't match any of them, then it will just repeat. So we'll go like if. Actually, that would have to be. That would have to be after this. If char class is different than, and this is again true upper, so I have to remember that, outlaw or char class is different than caster or char class is different than guardian. What is happening? Oh my god, things are happening. Cool. So if guardian or char class different than, it's the last one, paladin. So if the word did not match any of these, we could have like a secret class, like one you'd only have to know was in the source code in order to access. That would be cool. That would be really cool. I'd actually love that. We're not going to though. That's pretty lame. That's really really try hardish. Error equals 0. Nice. So then it will just pass. Else. Yeah, fuck yeah. Oh my god, you're right. Holy shit, I didn't even realize. Okay, we'll make a secret Klaus class. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so Klaus. You can also be Klaus. And he'll have nothing but like really good charisma, and he'll be easygoing with the ladies. So the ladies will fucking love him. But he will just die instead. That's kind of the thing with Klaus. That's the unfortunate thing with Klaus, isn't it? Okay, so it will just bow down and actually accept its true Lord and Savior, Klaus. What is your name? Caster. What is your class? I am Klaus. She did actually let me play Klaus. That's cool. It's really cool. It's really cool. So let's do one of these and put down there, and then +3. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Klaus, he'll be like really fucking huge. Oh my god. Should he be like fucking Hodor? Just be like close. That's all he can. Fuck, that would be amazing. So if you're playing the Klaus class, then in any conversation, all you see is just like, it's just like close. That would be fucking good. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, this is amazing. So we're gonna play Klaus. So Caster Klaus, that's who we are from now on. That's my life. True that. So we will have to do a console clear. Yeah. Oh my god, yeah, that would be amazing. I think we should actually do that, like really go along with the Klaus thing. That would be fucking good. Oh. Oh, fuck, that's amazing. Oh, yeah, for you on the VOD, it's like, it's put in the comments like, the dialogue for Klaus would be like, hello stranger, and then the only thing you'd be able to say if you're playing Klaus, like, Klaus. I think we should do that. I think that should be a legit thing in this game. And then we can release the game on Steam Greenlight, and all you'll be able to see is just being Klaus. Like the life of Klaus. I was thinking, this menu, we could make something like really cool. Yeah, I'm going to do dialogue somewhat. I think if you're going into town, sometimes you may even bump into people. It's going to be like one of these really old school games where you're like, the game's like, so you're faced with the crossroads and you have three ways to go. One, you see a mountain in the distance. The other, you see a curvature and you can't see past the trees. And the third is like a overflowing road. And you have to choose one of these, and some of them will lead you to like dungeons and really cool adventures, and other of them will just lead you instantly to your death. Because that's how it is. That's how I like games. I think, so you might even go into town and you'd bump into like the local mailman, and he'll be like, oh, are you Klaus? And he's like, Klaus. And he'll hand you a letter and you'll be like, oh shit, what is this? And then like whatever it is in there, and you might even go into a shop and you won't be able to purchase anything, 'cause the only thing you can say is like, Klaus. That'll be fucking good. So Klaus is like the legit class. Like he is, when people play this 1,000 years in the future, they're still referring to him as like the hardcore class. Oh my god, when you play Klaus, the entire game just turns into Dark Souls and Demon Souls and like he'll say is fucking Klaus. Maybe with this menu, you will press the arrow keys and then press enter to choose a class. But I don't know if that's too much work, and if this just works just fine. That's fucking fine, isn't it? It fucking looks great. I mean, it's pretty smooth. It looks great. It plays well, I think. I mean, it's very mysterious-ish. It does kind of Klaus needs fast travel. Yeah. Yeah, he probably does, because he's gonna get wrecked. Klaus is gonna get fucking wrecked. But how would he fast travel though? He's like fucking massive. He just like, oh, well, that's rude. I don't know. Yeah, I think this will do. But it kind of reminds me, this way it looks, it kind of reminds me, if you guys have ever played the Elder Scrolls Morrowind. In the beginning, it's like you wake up on a ship, and this seems like a lead up to that. Like, you know, you have this strange dark dialogue that's not really centered, but it's like kind of mysterious. You're like, oh shit, what is fucking happening? Someone's asking me things, and oh, fucking Klaus. He will be like the most legit class in the entire game. Like, hardcore players will play him. In tournaments, they'll play him. Fucking what? I was thinking, how cool would it be if we could make one of these games and like you could play him on multiplayer? It's like you could have friends join your match, or not your match, your adventure. That would be fucking cool. That would be fucking cool. But I don't know if that's even an option. Like, I'd have to make it a browser game for that to even be remotely possible. That could actually be kind of cool. But it would require like a massive database and all that. Yeah, don't know. Maybe we could look into that. That could be kind of cool. Convert it to like a multiplayer text-based adventure. That'll be legit. Okay, so you've made your class and your name. Is there anything else you need? Like race and ethnicity and all this? I don't think that's really important in this game. Maybe gender. Maybe. No, not even. Like, what does it even matter? It doesn't. Like, no, it doesn't. It doesn't matter. And then you're just dropped right in the game. And let's see how it... Okay, let's just go through it once again. So I'm gonna be the caster, and I'm gonna be Klaus. I think that looks good. Although I think that this looks good. You dropped into the game, and you can check like inventory. Yeah, it's good. Oh fuck. Choose a Klaus. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the shit. Choose a Klaus. Oh fuck me. Like I don't even. Oh no, I don't know why I messed that one up and called it Klaus. I don't know. Okay, I've placed this in a weird spot, so we need to move this up to here, so that you don't go through it every time you go back. There you go. Okay, let's see. So, what is your name? I am caster. Who are you gonna play? I'm gonna be Klaus. The Klaus class. Inventory. Okay, go back, please. And we can rest. And this, like this. You have exactly 0 motivation right now. Well, good. You're sat here watching me fuck about. And that's all the motivation anyone would ever need. Like, just watch some moron just figure out games, and you're like, I learned this yesterday, like, and I'll be like, oh damn. That's like all you need. Like, what else did I put in? Oh yeah, status. No status. You know what? At all times. Fuck, you know what? Okay. Okay. How am I doing? If char class equals Klaus. I should have had an apostrophe there. I don't know why. So if if the class is like Klaus at all times, it will literally so the char status will at all times be close. Like, that's it. That's all he'll say. He's fucking Klaus. He doesn't give a shit. Alright, I forgot to close that probably. Oh my god. No, what? Don't you dare tell me this, white man. Can't come in here. Oh shit. Okay, like that probably. God damn it. Okay, what's your name? Caster. Who are you gonna play? I'm gonna be Klaus. And then if you go into your status, this is... No! Klaus, what? No! No! Okay. Wait, why does it not? Why does it not even know? The power of Klaus compels you. Okay. Shit. Okay, where are we gonna put this? I think it should be like in the middle of the screen. It'll be like, sorry to say, console right, and then it'll be like, I'm fucking Klaus. Oh my god, I'd fucking love this. The Klaus class, that's really all it is at this point. It's the Klaus game. Status. That's that's legit all this game is. It's Klaus the game. Klaus. Oh my god, that's good. It fits so perfectly. Like, look at it. It's fucking glorious. Like, holy shit. Have you seen anything that is more beaut than... He's just like, close. He doesn't give a shit. He doesn't give a fucking shit. You know what? I think this is Game of the Year. I think we are looking at Game of the Year. Yeah, you know, like, yeah, you can download. There's going to be a lot of DLC. We already have planned DLC. One of them is obviously going to be the nudity pack. That's you know, it's given. We all knew it was coming. But the thing is, it's only going to apply to Klaus. Like, that's all the nudity you're going to get is Klaus. And you just have to, you know, embrace what Klaus has to offer, which is, I'll tell you right now, we've worked on the concept art, and he has a lot to offer. So, yeah, obviously there's going to be nudity. It's going to be involving Klaus, everyone's favorite. The ladies love him. The men love him. I mean, what better way to sell DLC than to say you are going to see Klaus's wiener? Like, I'd fucking love that. I'd pay to see that. So we have to do a console clear right there, and then, you know what? This is fucking perfect. I love this. Well, you're fucking welcome. This is this is what my life is at this point. Oh, fuck me! Like, this is great. And he's just like Klaus. Oh my god. He has girth. Yeah. I mean, I can show you some of the concept art, but I'm not going to. I'm under like a heavy NDA. So, sorry, not sorry. Can't show you Klaus's wiener. Oh shit! This is good. This is fucking brilliant. I fucking love this. I could just watch that say Klaus all day. I think should we even do more of this game? Shouldn't it just be this? Just like you pop into the game, it just says Klaus and that's it. That's all you can do. It's just loop Klaus. I fucking love that. I'd pay for that. And yeah, you know, this game is gonna be on Steam. It's gonna go on Steam Greenlight first, and we're gonna have a trailer with no sound and no music and like really piss poor quality. And I'm obviously going to record it with some software that has its watermark on the top. And then I'm just going to abruptly end it. Because that's how we do it on Steam. Isn't it? It's a great place to sell games. And it's a great place to just, you know, find the good in Klaus. You know, Klaus is the good in Klaus. Oh my god. I don't even know if I could actually legitimately do DLC for this. I actually do have Camtasia, yeah. But it is purchased, I should inform you. So there will be no watermark. Very sorry, not sorry. Isn't there a worse one? What is the... oh, it's like a really bad one. I don't remember what it's called. Like this, everyone uses it. It's not ScreenFlow. It's like, I don't even fucking remember. I give no shits actually. I just remembered. Okay, so you can create a Klaus. You can give him a name, and like the game base of like the GUIs there. Oh yeah, Bandicam. Yeah, it's Bandicam. Shit, yeah. Should do Bandicam. That'll be great. And we can, you know, you can rest, you can check inventory, you can check status. Like, is there more to games than this? Highly doubt there is. This looks great. Like, this game looks great. You should play it, guys. It's really good. Like, the core gameplay is like really good. Okay. Well, oh, actually, I should probably reset the EXP, because that just, you know, bumps right up. And then, you know, your HP. That depends on where we'll start the game, but, you know, be good. Okay. Oh shit. Great. Good story, mate. Great story. I think if any streamer should listen to some music, it should probably be something with cowbells in it. I would listen to cowbell music all day. Like, it's fucking amazing. Do you have a cowbell? Like, fuck me. Okay, so anyone else? What do you think should be in here? Because I have a hard time right now imagining what I am missing at this point, with like the base, with the very, very basic part of the game. The combat obviously is going to be, and I can't even do that because I commented it, but you know what we saw earlier. So I don't actually know. Oh fuck yeah. Could Klaus, oh my god, Klaus's only weapon is like a cowbell. Fuck, that's great. Holy shit. That's all he has, is like a cowbell. And he uses it as a rape whistle kind of thing. Like whenever someone tries to make a move on him, on his hot body, because they see the bulge in his pants. You know, he has his cowbell, he just strikes it like really hard, and then everyone comes, he strikes it hard, yeah he does. But then everyone comes running and tries to save Klaus from the horrible abuses of his past. That's actually great. That is actually literally great. Okay, well, when we know what the player has chosen right here, we should probably also in here kind of set oh yeah, we can also have one, yeah, like it says there, with one like named Gaben. If you name yourself Gaben, it will just instantly crash. We could do that actually. Should we do that? I mean, it wouldn't be that hard. How do you do it again? It's a system like exit or something. Exit. No, system. Fuck me. Threading. Exit. I don't actually remember. There was some like system exit or something. Oh, naming yourself Gaben should give you a discount, yeah. Fuck yeah. Should that be a thing? Do you like that? Oh yeah, it's environment, yeah, and exit. Oh, it's your computer should literally like go up in smoke. Yeah, that's good. Throw. Yeah. Great. I don't know. I don't know if we should do that. That seems kind of silly. More than I'd like it to. So if show class. So we'll just set the stats for them and all that. So outlaw. Okay. Why does it fucking default to that? That's stupid. Okay, so we will need a few points up here. So we'll say int attack bonus. I think they pretty much everything in here should just be like the classes will change your bonus that you get to whatever skill. and int charisma bonus. No wait, actually that's not good. We should have one called like speech bonus. One called so see oh yeah, we should have like a sneak bonus. Yeah, sneak bonus, and let's see, so we have the outlaws. Oh, we should have like, clearly we should have a int armor bonus. Oh god. We should have like a so obviously this game is going to be based on dice rolling. So you know, like random numbers that would be generated for each time you do an attack. For example, you'd have like a say 1 in 50, and then your bonus would add up to whatever you just rolled. And that's pretty much it. That's how they will play into this. Let's see. So Caster, Guardian, and Klaus. You can have like a cowbell bonus. Let's see. Attack, armor, sneak, casting. Yeah, I think that would pretty much do it. So we could, if that's not possible. Okay. So we have, for the outlaw, the sneak bonus would, oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, actually I would just like to do this. And then paste it in. Move it so it actually fits. I don't know why it defaults to something like that. This looks ridiculous. Okay, so the armor bonus will be, the attack bonus will be the attack bonus plus, oh god, we have to figure out like a, so I suppose the lowest one would be a +1. And that would probably be the lowest that you could get. That's what Klaus has. Or Klaus. But the attack bonus for the outlaw, that's probably like a 4, maybe a 3. He's not too strong, but you know, if he sneaks up on you, you'll kill, mate. So speech bonus for him, on the other hand, would be like very high. He's very cunning and persuasive. Sneak bonus, shit. So the sneak bonus, oh god. Gotta be kidding me. So the sneak bonus is obviously through the roof. It will add like a 10. And the armor bonus though is not that great. It'll be like a +2 probably. It's not really any good. Casting bonus. Yeah, you know, like he has a +1. He can't really cast. He can't really do much. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, that was an option. So just go all old school on this bitch. And yeah, thank you for that. Okay. Okay. And we're almost done. What now? What now? Use of unassigned local variable. Oh yeah, probably because I haven't set a default for them. So by default they should all be like 0. I suppose. There's no reason in giving them like a higher value. Okay, let's try again. Yep. Okay. So that was the outlaw. We should also do one for the caster. Okay. And the caster, in this case, at least, I don't know, would, let's go that, oh shit. Fuck me. Okay. So the caster, obviously, a casting bonus of, no wait, I suppose that their max for whatever they're actually good at would be a 10. And I suppose because they're light armored, they would have like a bonus to that. But again, not to this. Speech, yeah, and attack. That's 10, that's 20, that's 13 points, that's 16 points already. Oh, that's 20, that's 23 points, so that's 6, 9. Okay, so we're at 26, and this one up there, that was a 23. Wow. Okay, so this is not no. Wait, what? 23. 26. Interesting. So technically the caster is better. Point messy. I mean, like point wise. So I suppose we should, like, to make it equal, we should subtract 2. But I want it. Okay, so we'll make her, him, her, whatever it is. Like that, probably. 20, that's 25. Yeah. And then that's 20, that's 23. So we can give this guy 2 more points. And then like 25 will be the amount of points that we have to spend on placing in every one of these bonus. See what's happening. I realized it would be easier with classes and all this, but like, oh shit. Really, I might go back and I might change it. You never know. I don't even know. Okay, so okay. God, this is a mess. Like, why? Why do you not? It doesn't fucking look right. Okay. Okay. So the Guardian this time. The Guardian obviously has a 10 for armor, probably a 1 for this, so that's 11. Sneak bonus, that's all the way down to 2. Has a chance of doing it, not really good at it. That's 23, so we have 2 more points to put in. I think they should have like a 9 here, so then we'd have to decrease this to a 3. So that's a 25 again, that's good. They'll deal with that. Okay, and go to the Paladin. Let's see. The attack bonus for the Paladin, obviously a bit lower because it's more based on casting as well. So the armor bonus is like at a 5, and then we can increase this by 5. 18, 20, that's 25. Good. And then obviously everyone's favorite and the last one, Klaus, the Klaus class. What should Klaus actually have? Like that's the last thing. Like what should Klaus actually have? Because in my mind, Klaus has nothing, no points. He's like 0 for fucking everything. Actually, he'd be like 1 for everything. Except for speech, he's like a 10. But all you can say is Klaus. Oh, that'd be good. All you can say is fucking Klaus, yet he's like 10 in speech. I suppose he's a bit armored. He's a bit of an armored dude. Like, he's a big guy. Yeah, speech bonus, yeah. He's probably a 10 in speech, isn't he? Attack though, he's like a 5. He's quite strong. He's not too strong, but he's strong. So let's see, armor bonus, like the speech bonus. Yeah, obviously it's 10. A plus 9,000. That's good. I got you on that one. So we're at 23. So we have like 2 more points. I think he's a big guy. I think he's a big bloke, isn't he? Probably take that. Good. So Klaus as a class finally is good. He's ready to go. Ready to go out, beat some mofos. That's nice. I know we're not gonna give him over 9,000. That would be ridiculous, and it wouldn't even change anything really. Okay, so what else? Like what more? What more could anyone want? The classes are set. The menu is made. Pretty much everything is done. Yeah. Good. Okay. I think I'm going to call it for today then. Let's see. Is it even... What day is it today? Oh, fuck. It's Sunday. Like, what? Okay. Well, I'm going to call it for today. The whole video, if you missed any of it, is going to go up like on the channel later. Edited versions, obviously, also coming. And so... Thank you all for coming, hanging out. That's really cool. It's really cool of you. I really do appreciate it. It was a good time, and I would have never made Klaus without you. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will be back very soon, probably. And so if you're not subscribed already, you can follow on YouTube to get all the Klaus nudes. And yes, I said nudes. And yeah, I'll see you over there and or on the next stream. You can follow me on the stream here as well if you have not already. And if you have, thank you very much. I haven't turned any notifications on, so I don't know if you have. Legit, I don't know. But thank you so much. I will see you all next time.